Welcome to today's daily meditation for peace. This reflection is part of our healing series. Today's meditation is titled Peaceful Sleep and Night Renewal. So take a moment, get yourself to a quiet place, away from distractions, and when you're ready, let's get started. So settle in and take a slow, soft breath in and exhale any tension. Let your body unclench and relax, shake it out. And let's take a deep breath in, going into soul center, tapping into that light, being in that oneness. And on the exhale, that light illuminates your body, your mind, and your thoughts. And it goes out into the world. And take another deep breath in, tapping to that light and bringing in that love, that divinity. And allowing on the exhale that love and that light flows through your entire being, restoring love, restoring peace out into the world. And take one more deep breath, tapping into the stillness and the peace, merging with the love and the light. And on that exhale, it moves through you, bathing you, relaxing you, healing you, and out into that world. And there is nothing you need to do now. No decisions that you have to make. No conversations that you have to have. Just sleep and just peace. Let your breath rock you gently into calm. Night is not just for sleep, it's for healing. Your body repairs, your spirit resets. Even when the world feels uncertain, this moment is certain. This stillness is sacred. And you are safe to let go. You are safe to be restored. And affirm, I rest in divine peace. My body and mind are renewing. And again, I rest in divine peace. My body and my mind are renewing. Picture a starry sky above you, quiet, calm, eternal. You are wrapped in a soft blanket of moonlight. Nothing is pressing, nothing is urgent. You are held in deep, holy rest. and may sleep come gently and fully. And in the morning, you will be awakened and restored, body, mind, and soul. And so it is. Amen and amen.
May peace cradle you through this night, restoring every part of you, body, mind, and soul. Thank you for sharing this sacred space with us. This meditation, Peaceful Sleep and Night Renewal, is part of our daily Meditations for Peace series, created to gently guide you back to divine stillness and the holy rest your spirit longs for. May your dreams be sweet, your breath steady, and your heart completely at ease. Trust that Spirit is holding you, even now. To explore more meditations and soulful resources, or to stay connected with our ministry, visit us anytime at spirituallycentered.org. Until we meet again, may you rest in divine peace, and may all be well with your soul. Copyright 2025. Reverend Sharon Renae. Produced by Rick Lowe.